Alright fellas, today we went back up to Harry J. Epstein Company. There's all their information. I finished filming the last videos, all the rest of the store and everything that I needed to film. And of course, you know, while you're there, you buy stuff because you need stuff. One thing I bought was this little guy right here. 5/16, it's got the ball detent. If you remember right, I got this from Excess Tools. It was missing the other one. It's not a T27 and something else like I kind of wanted. It is Phillips and a hollow ground standard bit. It's going to work great. And it's complete now. Of course, if I find a 5/16 that's a T27 and like a T20 or something, I'm going to grab it and throw it in here also. I'll figure out a way to carry them all. Or I'll just take this Phillips and slot it and throw it in a bit drawer. Next thing I got were these pair of gloves. They just spoke to me. They said, hey, we're Knox fit. Now I'm going to Knox test them. Another thing I had to grab since I was there was this screwdriver. Now you may think, oh, it's just a regular ordinary screwdriver. It's not. This is a Harry Epstein Company USA screwdriver. I don't know who makes them. I'm guessing either Wilde or Western Forge. But yeah, Harry Epstein. I love the place. So buy some of their merch. It's a working screwdriver. I mean, come on, it's gonna work. Why not support the guy? Buy his name on their tool. Great idea. I also picked up one of these for a buddy of mine. He's needed an 18mm for quite a while, and of course, you know, they got SK. I got him a black one so he'd know it's the 18 without even having to read them. Awesome. Yeah, SK all day. And then finally, I picked up this. Yes, you read that right. It says Wilde. This is a pry bar rack. And as you can see, not only does it hold Wilde pry bars, it also holds Chinesium, Snap-on, SK, Craftsman, Hyper Tough, which Wilde makes for Walmart, or they carry at Walmart. Whatever's your flavor. Rack. Stick it on the side of the toolbox or screw it to the wall. Get your pry bars out of your toolbox and save some space. So now, price-wise, I don't think I did too bad. Come out of there under 53 bucks. So the bit was $2.75. The pry bar rack was 20 bucks. The SK wrench was 7 bucks. The gloves were $17.25. And apparently they gave this to me for free. Yeah, that's even better. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any pennies, because they never fit.